Hey, hey, morning. Morning, self. Kung umaga mo naman ito napapanood. Tayo. Ay, inindi ko, oh. Sini ko yung YouTube. Grabe, nagpa-fan lang ako. Grabe. May nakita ko comment. Sabi, keep it up. Tapos yung isa, hindi ko naman, hindi ko naman, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung totoo ba yun. 17 subscribers. I already have 70 subscribers. Hindi ko alam kung totoo. Tapos, that is for the past months na. Kasi nag-upload ako ng shorts. Like, yung reels lang. Parang, shorts. Kasi YouTube. Reels. Day 1 hanggang day 26. Tapos tinigil ko kasi I feel na something. Pero parang gusto ko ituloy. Day 1. No. Day 1 to something. Ano yun? I think yeah. But I was going to document my entire day and then gonna post and then this is what's gonna happen. Then huwag muna tayo mag-set ng goal. Just take a diary lang. Kasi goal lang talaga kasi na like A to J. Then yeah, I was like able to I did it. Do it. Yeah, able to do it. Like 26 days. Alright. Pwede naman natin simulan ulit like another day 1. Pero hindi ko kasi ma-imagine. Tapos yung isang video 90 something 11. I don't know kung 11. Ginamit ko kasi yung bagong release ni Jackson Wang na song, yung G-Bad. Life is great. You gotta be a thing sometimes. You only live once. You gotta be a thing sometimes. Yun, ginamit ko kasi yun. Then, nanood ako yung Matrix. Ay. Kinikilig ako doon. Kasi, I was saying na baliw, but fan kasi ako ni Jackson Wang. Kasi, yung perspective niya sa life, yeah, that's the way he talk. Then I'm a listener too. Kahit yung English niya is yung English niya magaling. Gusto ko makuha yung accent niya. then also yung style. I don't know, pero parang na-feel ko na if I'm going to continue that, going to create this kind of reels, then yung background music is GOT7 or yeah, tsaka parang ginagamit ko sila, pero hindi rin, pwede ko rin naman tingin na other perspective na I'm using their music kasi we fly. I'm going to use their music kasi part na sila ng buhay ko, you know. Ay, hindi naman ako yung ever since naging fan lang ako ng no 2021. Tapos yung kay Jackson Wang, yung nag-start na siya mag-release ng album. Yeah. Yun siguro. Yan lang. Alam mo, kasi napanood ko kahapon yung ano ba yan 20k yung parang yung dapat di ginagawa. I mean, basta yan, yun 20 yun 20, basta yun 20 sa YouTube video sa 20. Yung nakawa ko din is both mag-scroll, I mean don't check social media kapag umaga, pag gising mo. Pero chinek ko yun sa akin, pero di ko inaasahan yung chinek ko yun. Kasi bago ako matulog, post ko yung second video ko na all about something, all about my life lang. Natutunan ko yung mga wrong grammar. Dahil English ako, pero go pa rin, sir. Yeah. Kasi doon naman lahat nagsisimula eh. Hindi ko naman pwede i-edit yun. Sasayaan ko lang naman yung oras ko. I mean, hindi naman sasayaan kasi that is an effort. Itama yung mali. Yung mga mali. Pero siguro pa napawag ko, magiging cringe ako pag after 5 years or 10 years. Kasi gano'n ako magsalita. Like, parang pa ng pabulong. I don't know. Basta yan. Good morning, guys. Good morning, so I hope that you are happy right now. Papunta na ako dyan, okay? Magkape.